Hi, this is Belly, and I'm gonna roast this fatherless Japanese girl. So I'm gonna take it seriously, not fake seriously, actual seriously. So if you see me, go shut the beep up. Now let's roast his shorts.
I reached 200 subs, but
no. Nobody graduate you because you repost real gen for views, and you just want comments has likes. You are shit. You are a people. I mean.
Hi there.
Bye there. And you will not hack because you're actually a fake hacker.
What, you slap me?
Yes, actually, I will do it for free. And even I will do it for free. Time for adoption.
I have it.
You can't see me. I can stalk you. No accepted. Let's see his cringy videos.
Don't take this channel seriously.
I gotta take this channel seriously. If you even talk about Peanut and aka my best friend.
It's made specially for roasts. We will roast Peanut today because he bullied me.
W for Peanut.
Can you like and subscribe in only 3 seconds?
No.
You did make...
She made you. You didn't make yourself.
me. I made myself.
I said you didn't make yourself.
I have a challenge for you.
W Peanut also.
You should do it. You will not regret it. I love J-pop. Let's pick some teams. You use...
No, you use real Jason for views. That's a you kid Mecky. That is a little kid that's like not roast and roasting Peanut at night. Can't roast Peanut has abs, and you gotta say blah 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 blah. You skip.
Yes, I love Japan.
So, you say you love Japan. Japan doesn't love you.
Peanut.
No, you're atheist. Allah will not accept you anymore. Go to hell, and you'll be with the devil. And you're Japanese girl. No, you're racist, you motherfucking interlocking is a walkie talking. So this is a goodbye. Goodbye.